Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the best MSI B550 Pro socket AM4 ATX DDR4-SDRAM motherboard. If you're looking to build or upgrade your system with reliability and solid performance, then this motherboard might just be what you need. Right off the bat, the MSI B550 Pro offers a fantastic balance of features and performance for both gaming and productivity. With its support for AMD Ryzen processors and a robust DDR4 memory system, you're getting the best of both worlds, speed and efficiency. The motherboard supports up to 128 GB of memory, allowing you to push your system for demanding tasks like gaming, content creation, or running virtual machines. This motherboard also comes with PCIe 4.0 support, making it future-proof for high-speed storage devices and GPUs. Whether you're a gamer looking for that edge or someone who needs reliable and fast storage for work, the B550 Pro ensures your hardware operates at its peak performance. Additionally, its clean and simple design allows it to fit seamlessly into any build. For connectivity, MSI didn't hold back. The B550 Pro features multiple USB ports, including USB 3.2, and the latest in Ethernet technology for fast and stable internet connections. Whether you're playing multiplayer games or downloading large files, you'll have a stable and reliable network experience. The inclusion of dual M.2 slots for NVMe SSDs is a big plus as well, offering the ability to install super-fast storage. One of the standout features of this motherboard is its premium capacitors and solid design that ensures long-lasting durability. Coupled with the advanced thermal solutions, your system remains cool even under heavy loads, which is crucial for stability during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads. As for the BIOS, MSI has made it user-friendly. It comes with the Easy Debug LED to quickly diagnose problems with the CPU, RAM, or GPU, making troubleshooting simple and quick. This feature is a huge time saver if you run into any issues during your build process. In terms of price, the MSI B550 Pro is quite affordable, especially when compared to its competitors in the same category. For a motherboard that delivers great performance, supports future upgrades, and provides high-end connectivity, it's a solid investment. So whether you're building a new PC or upgrading your current setup, the MSI B550 Pro is definitely a board worth considering. It strikes a perfect balance between performance, durability, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for most users. That's it for today's review of the MSI B550 Pro motherboard. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future tech reviews.